Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Memang Kerpang Sunrise Viewpoint, a rising tourist attraction in Meghalaya. Shillong celebrates India's Best Dancer winner Steve Jerwa. Lingdo visits protesting NEHU students, calls for action. And villagers rally against teachers killing and illegal liquor sale. And now the news in detail. Umroi's Memang Kerpang Sunrise Viewpoint has become a must-visit destination for nature lovers, offering breathtaking views of the morning sky and cloud-covered landscapes. Tourists, both domestic and international, flock to the site to experience the surreal feeling of standing above the clouds, akin to flying in the sky. While the spot has gained fame for its natural beauty, local authorities and stakeholders recognize the need for enhanced amenities. Clean theatres, tea stalls and food shops could elevate the visitor experience. Equally important is preserving the environment by protecting trees and maintaining safe pathways and roads. The site also offers lucrative opportunities for local landowners and investors to develop tourist-friendly infrastructure. With sustainable planning, Memang Kerpang could become an even greater symbol of Meghalaya's charm, blending natural beauty with visitor comfort and environmental conservation. Shillong erupted in joy as Steve Jerwa, the winner of India's Best Dancer, returned home after his triumph in Mumbai, the heart of Bollywood. Crowds gathered to celebrate the young talent who has brought immense pride to Meghalaya and its people. The festivities began in Guwahati, where brightly dressed admirers greeted him with enthusiasm. Along the Shillong-Guwahati road, villagers turned out to honor Steve, cheering and waving as his convoy passed. At the Mauyong Rim interstate bus terminus, a grand reception awaited him. Villagers from Mauyong Rim, Mauyong Umjapung, Maulai Nongkwar and surrounding areas showered him with colorful flowers. Taibor Pathau, EM land of KHADC, along with members of the Maulai Social Service Organization, officially welcomed Steve at ISBT. Accompanied by his dance teacher, family and friends, Steve was later honored at Polo Ground, where pride and joy for his remarkable achievement shone brightly.
How do you feel? Asmo comment Wanchane, and thank you so much for supporting me and loving me.
Paul Lyngdoh, Meghalaya's Minister of Social Welfare, visited protesting students of NEHU and KSU NEHU at the Vice-Chancellor's office compound in Umshing, Maukanro on November 19th. The students are demanding the removal of the Vice-Chancellor, Registrar and Deputy Registrar, citing administrative failures. Expressing sympathy, Lyngdoh noted the deteriorating health of the students and the declining standards of NEHU compared to other central universities. However, he emphasized that NEHU falls under the jurisdiction of the Government of India through the NEHU Act, limiting the state government's direct involvement. The minister urged the Ministry of Education to intervene and resolve the ongoing strike, highlighting the need for decisive action to address long-standing grievances. While the state government has reported the incident to the central government, Lyngdoh stated its role would primarily involve maintaining law and order if required. He expressed hope for a swift resolution to restore order at NEHU.
Wan rukum wini kepala kuliah university. Kebaar kani kedai ke Central University. But ngi community bakat kum ke bor bala penkamti hari university tak act jangka parliament ke depan la bat penbet ya kini ikan rup kenrap. Hari Indonesia kani kam day ke kam jangka state government Andrei Habaudon full-fledged VC. Kadai well within his powers. Wat kadai mandate tu ban penbet ye kino ki kenrap. Namar lada ngi penlong ye ka presiden maman mami ki kenram hari ni university ka state government kadai ban step in. Terkemut minum yo aki administrators ki babet. Namar lada mi kino ki jing gin ong to i kata kadang state government kan sa lek la kajang benda. Dari ngi la ban intervene tang hadin ba si for instance kadon ka breakdown jong ka law and order kadon kibakum kita ki Henry within la people hi ka act jong ka university bala create the parliament ka authority baro kadon be ha ministry but ha VC ubayalam ya ka university hangni kumba kalong hadin bangi yok kopi kan ka internal report ke ba kan usukan penkreat kelas tambat penkreat mata ya kini gijuk points kan ya discuss baru chief minister but kumju ban penpairu ya kini concerns jong kini ki Samla puli syaka ministry kata kade ka assurance ke jong aru iki pensngo ke jongki kini ke kam ke ba kin hapan ra shwa syaka general council ke general meeting ke jongki dia kemut ki dalade kinom la ban chimrai lakin beteng la nekin ben sange no and they can have a general meeting dengan khamlong concern om tang ye ko khia jong ni ki Samla puli ka bang khamlong concern ka de ki jing ko jing khia jong ka NEHU ka health jong ka university maka ni ka de ka Central University ka ba lawan ra ka la sei shibun ki klur ha ka imlang salang jongi de bat kadai ru ka university ka ba kumang ong pi mena koi kadai ka department ka jongi Department of English por bangi puli mangi yang ni kadai one of the top 10 departments hari India
jingwan jong alpi ni let them finish
ka jingwan jong ang ni kadai kumu menteri badan sekolah Meghalaya Bosco nak benda ka education jongi Samla ni jongi but kaptam ru kum alumnus mu Samla wala Politeng University NEHU kalong shisha ka ek kalong very disturbing.
The Union of Village Authorities from 6 villages in Lyngdoh, Mauet, West Khasi Hills organized a rally on November 19th to condemn the tragic killing of Bokstar Solang, a school teacher from Mauklam Nong Pendeng, and to oppose illegal liquor sales in the area. The rally began at Presbyterian LP School, Rimenyar, with a 1-minute silence honoring the victim. Participants, including school children, youth and parents, marched with placards and slogans condemning the crime. The rally concluded at Lyngdoh with a public meeting. Boxstar Solang was killed on November 12 at 1 a.m. by a man named Piswell Langren. The rally highlighted the community's call for justice and stricter measures to curb illegal activities in the region.
I will see me kiba hinga sam aba kisam kum gani katinja hoy tabang ge kaba isur kai kaba smotrim ban yo snow bat ba pinsu sing yangi aba ngi kum ya gani ka jinja bat kalong ru ka sindu kaba kau kam tam ya kiba hinga sam bat ya kiba ya trelang bat kumjuru ya kasnong ka tao kaba la itu kai hoy aka khatar tarik aka jinja trelang jong arteli kisnong maka departemen gejungi ingala ban dia ya ke kebadan kam apa ide bat katu kam bat kani ke kam karang ya sakmat ngilang ya kendu biang nang sakmat akaba inpendat iki kam bang ide banle ban umbapi yat mene akirali la perta tapi de ban yo ya kahok ya ke gejungi ru ular ba ya ke ba mau mulai banyak ya kata kajing saja lah ni kajing persitom punyo takum kaan kapa don kami jongi jadi kam kibangin sedang pendet nang sekmat ni kendo minta wan sini kisnau nyupi bat akermen ru kumba pilih trelang nadu tu kesi akermen ru bat piru pinai bian ti kalian ti kaman ban ternyata kam sekmat harpa yate bat kini kam abangi pa yakim lang salang kijing dia basniu ki kam ke basniu lani kinu ki kam serkai ke ba ki beri pile hak jok ke pementa yoi ba kamdesu kan ke kibri ki bawan labar lani ki bawan khubor na kawai ke jaka na kawai kari rei ni ba ki dei haying jongi hi kibri jongi hi ki bale yakum kita sniu lani yakum kita ki kam ke basniu bawan ka jingkeli bale ki le yakini kita kam ala benong ba malah keren di ba keren menesak man kau kalong ba kiying kisan jungi kelak lot palat dan ki kun ki kiti dan ki kimi ki pa ki kini ki mesan ki pasan ba halor ki ban seneng ki ban peri yangi rei usi karang poi ban sakajing bakala karang poi ban sakadi susi dengan kerpat ya kilong kimilong pa ba nangi sakman kanum dia su kum kini ka jing dia ho ya kai ka pala dia ngi bla su ko penkela yang rei ya kai ka pan sawan ni kang la pan tela kam ada ni ya trelang man tela kam ya kanu ka jing sniu kam song e tang hai kita ki ba pan ya snong kam song e tang hai kita ki department di ba de kai kare ka song api ki kimi ki pa ki nang song snong ki hat ki bare ki samla ki ngorba barbaro snow ban kentu ya pi ba
mo rup ligi Shillong ibahat apa kajing Peit jom ini Shillong kita tahu kita don hagane kan ribu Shillong ijongi ba lengba jom di sngio bahan bu dah kirul kian dimakan ya pok Shillong kita tahu jom di ba dei ban aila ba ya kakiat endi dah kakiat ya ubriu di ya kakiat dah ubriu nrek di kembang dah kakiat ya ubriu nama batani ke jinti dah ubriu ya kakiat dah kakiat ya ubriu kapan jinjar hatu kata yu ya kibahi ngasiam ke jongi ya yoi sipan kilo ying jongi apa kadang kadang ke jongi gila jok gila im kunslet gila im ke jingim ke masusak limba kane kakiat batunjoro ngaken tu yakin riut lagi Shillong babidai ban Peit babisar punya bayon isi waktu drugs ru unpoino haki longying longsiam bab haka barandaying kajongi iway kumtang akan tu ibi baro ilong kami iba Peit iba dei kadono comaying babidai ban seneng baik ikun kejompi nadu dangrip bagi eki kisok iba tiang wat kermen anda lahir uding ensasai usotia.
The Ribhoi League Super Division football tournament organized by the Ribhoi District Sports Association (RBDSA) began on November 19th at Umdihar Stadium. The event was inaugurated by Nongpo MDC Balajit Rani in the presence of RBDSA leaders and spectators. As the chief guest, Rani commended RBDSA for providing a platform for local youth to showcase their talents and advance their athletic careers. The tournament features 12 teams competing for the championship. The opening match saw Umran Dairy Sports Club face Kongripara Sports Club in an engaging and competitive game. Umran Dairy led 1-0 goals in the first half, but Kongripara equalized in the second half, ending the match in an exciting draw.
Jiwan jong pi ban yasim benta ba kumjuru ya kene galat ka ba hiyo lamba ka RBDSA ban IFP ya kene ka platform ngasngo ban ong ban kuntu ya ki kun Samla ke jungi ke badan kasap ba phin sim ya kene ka kabu ya ka ba ka RBDSA ka don ke jing themu ka ba ha ban kuntiu ya pi ku ki kun Samla jong kene ka dong ba ka thain ke jongi ngimla ban len ba Khuborjylla district ke jongi kaladai ka wei na ki district ka badan baha kata ka potential ha bai de ba ka banta jo ka sport ngi na du ka Meghalaya game ka bangi ladap bansaki ha kine ke benai ya ka jingla jo ki khun Samla ke jongi ban wanra ai ka nam ba ko burom hoi wat laga ki wan ha ka dan ka ba ngi sungthu baki kun Samla ke jongi ki wan kadan baal kadau kalong ba ngim don ya ki discipline ki bapher baki kun Samla ke jongi ki yo ban participate andre ni ka jingla jing kun Samla ke jongi ban wanra ya kanam ha ka bai de bat ka sport kalalong ka wei ka burom nang banta Khuborjylla district ke jongi gidang shi ya ka jing wanra jong ki khna ke jongi ki belek ban simbanta ha ka subro tokop ha ka ba atli ki division ka Khuborjylla ban ong ki layo ban wanra ya ka final ya ka nam la du ha ka bayade bat ka subro tokop kane ka pani bagi kun Samla ki jongi ki don shisha ka mensim jong ka jing trang na ka banta banile kai ha ki jing le kai ki bapher kane baro ngasmo ban airu ka buram sha ka ba RBDSA ki bala persang ban kesutia ki bala persang ban wan ya ki klur lane ki sap ki phong ki ba ki khon jungi na du nanong kendong ki don ban ai ki ya kane ka platform
Cucu bengwang dia ni
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.